how you can give assignments to your students. So this tutorial, I'm going to go into how you can use the community library and maybe touch upon creating your own activities. So once you have your students in your class, you would press add. So these are some like my students already completed. Once they completed the assignments, they go to the journal. So you press add, assign activity. Now I already have a lot in my library, so mine's going to look a little different than yours. But what you would do is you would go to the community library. If you're using this for homework and you're looking for activities like count to 100, okay, so you would just look through the activities, see what fits what you're looking for. You would click on it and then press assign and make sure you assign it to the correct class. So you press check and you press assign to one class, and then it will come up for your class. Make sure that you assign it to the correct class so that the assignment is given to them. There are tons of activities to search in the community library. You can just do letters. You could type in the exact letters J and P, and there are tons of worksheets that do come up. There are videos. You can create your own activities. But there's a lot to choose from in the library. I can show you some examples of activities that I've had, like sight word poems, the foundations. They could just practice writing the sight words, rhyming words, worksheets, circling the number, sight word practice. So there are, and there are a lot of like fun moving around. They move around like the pieces in a game, kind of like a center. So it makes it a little bit more fun for the students. So these are just some in my library, just writing your first and last name, recording the letters. So that's how they have the microphone, just moving the letters around to put an ABC order. So tons and tons of activities. If you just press add and assign activity, and then go to community, you might want to look up the grade, kindergarten, and what subject you're looking for, but there's always more being added. And also if you join some teacher groups on Facebook, some teachers share activities that they make that you could add to your library. But on different accounts, you can have a certain amount saved to your library, but you can always just assign it to your class even though it's not saved to your library. So this tutorial, I just went over how to go how to add some activities from the community library. I will make another tutorial if you would like to create your own activities.